Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and as you already know, Samsung launched a new Galaxy S series of phones, but the one phone we are most excited about here at Pocket-lint is the Galaxy Z Flip, or Galaxy Z Flip if you happen to be on the other side of the pond. It's another foldable smartphone, but this one's a little bit different. Just like Motorola's new Razr, this one is a flip clamshell style phone. But instead of having a plastic film covered foldable screen, this one actually has a flexible glass panel over the top. And it's the first time we've seen it in a smartphone. That means it's light, flexible, and according to Samsung, very durable. When it's folded up, it forms this really neat compact square that easily fits in a palm or in your pocket. And it has this really neat little color display, like a ticker display that shows any alerts or notifications or incoming calls. But you can also use this for taking selfies with the rear cameras. And these particular cameras seem decent too. Both have the standard 12 megapixel Samsung sensors, but one of them is a regular camera and the other one is the ultra wide, so you can switch between those two focal points. The screen itself, when opened, is a long 6.7 inch Full HD panel with plenty of pop and color, with inky blacks and a pixel density of around 425 ppi. Now, thanks to the nifty design of the hinge, you can also actually have the phone folded at different angles. And depending which app you're using, the phone then transforms the bottom half of the display into like a control panel for whatever you're viewing on the top half of the display. Now inside you've got some premium flagship specifications. It has a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, a 3300 mAh battery, and 256 gigabytes of storage. Now sadly, there's no 5G model of this particular device, which might seem like a little bit of a step backwards, especially when compared to the Galaxy S20. But this phone is clearly all about the design and the first use case of flexible glass. You'll be able to buy it on the 14th of February and it will cost about £1,300 in the UK or $1,380 US. And that makes it considerably cheaper than the Galaxy Fold was last year, and also cheaper than the Moto Razr, which isn't as high spec as this particular device. So let us know, are you going to jump on board the foldable smartphone bandwagon this year? Use the comments below or get me on Twitter. I'm at Bunton, and I will see you again soon.